Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you Canva new features 2024 updates. So let's start with Magic Media and Background Remover. Magic Media is Canva's advanced image and video generation tool. Simply describe what you need, and Magic Media creates beautiful graphics, icons, stickers, or illustrations based on your description. It's perfect for generating custom visuals quickly. The Background Remover tool makes it easy to remove backgrounds from images with just one click, whether you're creating product photos or social media posts. This tool helps you isolate your subject effortlessly. Next, we have Magic Grab and Magic Eraser. Magic Grab lets you effortlessly select and move any element within your photos, just like editing a Canva template. This is great for repositioning or removing objects from your images. Magic Eraser allows you to remove unwanted elements from your photos. Just select the area you want to erase, and Canva will clean it up, leaving your image looking polished and professional. Next is the Resize and Magic Switch. Resize and Magic Switch are powerful tools for transforming designs. Resize allows you to quickly adjust your design's dimensions to fit different platforms or purposes without losing quality. Magic Switch transforms any Canva design into a custom document with just a few clicks. You can turn a brainstorm into a brief or a presentation into a proposal, speeding up your workflow significantly. Next is Magic Write. Magic Write has been enhanced to generate personalized text using your unique tone of voice. Upload a sample of your writing, and Magic Write will create content that sounds just like you or your brand. Next is Magic Design. Magic Design helps you generate higher quality templates with less effort. Powered by generative AI, it provides you with stunning templates that require minimal editing. Lastly, Magic Animate brings your designs to life with animations. Easily add motion to text, images, and other elements in your design to make them more engaging and dynamic. That wraps up our overview of Canva 2024 updates. I hope you find these new features as exciting as I do. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial for more updates and tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching!